delicious, easy fruit dip. And it only has 4 ingredients. Okay, so we're going to stir this up well. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we're going to make a delicious, easy fruit dip. A delicious dip for apples, pears, peaches, mangoes, and probably some other fruits too. And it only has 4 ingredients. So, the ingredients in this recipe are plain yogurt, peach or apricot preserves, cinnamon, vanilla, and then your choice of fruit slices. And like I mentioned, apples, pears, peaches, mangoes, we have apples. And also at the end of this recipe, I'll show you how to prepare your apples and pears and peaches so they don't brown if they're sitting out for a while. So we'll do that too. So the first thing that we need to do is stir together our yogurt. I have an 8-ounce container. This is Greek, but you can use plain if you want. So just put that in a bowl. All right. And then we have a 1/4 cup of peach or apricot preserves, and I have peach. They're both delicious. And then we have an 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'll let you put that in. All right, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, so you can go ahead and put that in too. And I'll keep stirring. Okay, so we're going to stir this up well. Once it's all messy, I like to put it in another dish so it looks neater if you're going to present it to people. Next, we're going to go ahead and slice our apples. Okay, so to prevent your apple slices from browning, go ahead and put 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh or bottled. Stir it around. Then you could go ahead and put your apple slices in there and let them soak for at least 5 minutes, and then take them out and let them drain, and it'll prevent them from browning. You could also just take a brush and go ahead and brush lemon juice on them directly, but I kind of think this is easier. So we'll have those soaking, and we'll cut up a few more, and we're going to try our fruit dip. You ready to try? Mm-hmm. So you could put apricot in this too.
Okay.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
This is a good way if you want to put a platter, encourage people to eat fruit. People like to dip food, so
sure.
Kids like to dip foods too, so you can get them to eat more fruit that way. Okay, so after 5 minutes here, we just take the apples out. It hasn't been 5 minutes yet, but just pretend it has. And you can just put them on a towel or a paper towel. And there you go. You could arrange them on your platter with your fruit dip, and your guests will come and they'll stay nice and fresh looking.
Does that affect the taste?
No, go ahead and try one.
Okay.
I don't taste anything.
Well.
So there you have it. Try it. Let me know how your fruit dip turns out, and if you try the lemon juice tip to keep your fruit from browning. So if you like easy recipes like this, subscribe, push the bell button so you'll get notified when I post new easy healthy recipes. So see you in the next lesson.